My name is Music Phil. I've been in the business for decades now, from record shop to radio disc jock. We are at Willis That Roof, and this is Yardstyle Live Presents. Yardstyle Live Presents is sponsored by Willis That Roof, Oasis in the City.
Willis That Roof, Kingston, Jamaica. Willis That Roof, Kingston, Jamaica.
This week's guest is Reggie Stepper. Reggie Stepper is known for hits such as Kimbo King, Little Miss, Guaranteed, Whining Skill, and Kimbo King. He has worked with many producers such as Steely and Clevie, King Jammies, Pipers, Techniques, just to name a few. Reggie Stepper, the original Kimbo King, the original from Barbican. Reggie Stepper. Introducing to Yardstyle Live stage, we have one of the bridging them where helped me in music by being a great inspiration. I'm going to get some beating too. Big up my mother, rest in peace. Love you same way. Couldn't beat the fun out of me. You see me? So here we have Reggie Stepper. Forward by Yardstyle Live stage, no? See it, huh?
Yeah, man, Yardstyle Live. Reggie Stepper. Music feels like youth, I know from my little youth, from him just born, and my mother and my father, you know. Just live up the road from me, you know. We make them youth have to leave, come a dance hall, run down dance hall, want to hear music, want to everywhere music there. And that's how it goes. So we give thanks for them youth, because right now that just music them youth are deal with straight. I mean name Reggie Stepper, man, for the good and for the better, and even for the best, you know, when it comes to the text. So give thanks and praise, said speed.
Reggie, you know you have to bless it again in the car. I see every stage show before you perform a song, you bless it.
Yes, His Majesty, Haile Selassie, Imperial Majesty, ruler of all. Negos te negos. Reggie Stepper tell you that Selassie I know. Now respect in all aspect to all of the people them all over the world. You see me I say? All the Rasta them big up on themselves said speed, because you know, and so we do our thing. That's the fire I live it, really, through the heart and flesh of mankind. Haile Selassie I is almighty, no doubt, on any route. Reggie Stepper tell you that, because them can't get way out. That's how we do it, star. Ko uno to. Ko uno to. Set a satellite and set a mono. Set a idiot and set a jam taco. Set a masquerade and set a drunkuno. Wanna try for do. Touch a Reggie Stepper, that a double trouble. Touch a music filler, that a 3-time trouble. We will pop your one and pop your foot down in the ankle. Right away fling and that a living trouble. So go ono to. Someone go ono to. Go ono to. Someone go ono to. What about the king and freedom? 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 Any race with me enter me bone if you win. Took me with that pin that we charge you for sin. This is Reggie Stepper with precise timing. Sometime me DJ, sometime me sing. Any style me fling up and any rhythm. So go ono to. So go ono to. If we mash up certain selector it is come on assault. If we mash up certain singer it is come on assault. If we mash up certain DJ it is come on assault. If we mash up certain sound boy it is come on assault. Every day sitting to the guys are come on assault. So come on assault. If we match up certain sound boy it is come on assault. Things we have more regular come on assault. But go ono to. Go ono to. So go ono to. Wanna try. Easy. Now it's a serious joke. And some boy over the arms is going up in smoke. And I'm up in the champion, I want to get off in a jump on. Ready to battle a lot. jump on, a 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 come. Say jump and sound over so. Pack out to the gate you figure. Jump and sound over so. Pack out to the gate you figure. How would you think you're there? You think I don't have mucko? We not tolerate them sound up there so. Sound of it nice and mellow. Like me say fi me disco. Remember Reggie say I tell you so. Remember music will tell you so. Spooky I him tell you so. SK I him tell you so. Because we run round so. We come to control you so. To jump and sound over so. Back out to the gate you figure. Ko uno Reggie step attack to. Ko uno me attack to. Go fix your bass and your treble. My son play, no argue. You set a mama man, no. You set a satellite, no. Say, girl, look one fit talk to. Say, jump and sound over so. Pack out to the gate, you figure. Jump and sound over so. Pack out to the gate, you figure. Cause enemy. And the big sound boy, them turn we enemy. I just show them loud, me say, and them noisy. Them now play, me say, with no quality. Them the sound boy, I got the damn berry. Yes, we are gonna put them in the semi. Trick. Come! Jump and sound over so.
Yeah, Reggie Stepper. But hold on there. Now he has classic songs with Super Beagle, Jack Radix, Dennis Brown to name a few. Another classic song again from Reggie Stepper. Ready?
Well, we'll tell you one thing. We don't like lazy people. Some people don't want to do nothing anymore and survive and everything feel alright. That's it, go. Original. How we call them, star? Original. What we call them? Here we call them. Original Kimbo King. Kimbo Queen and a King. Original Kimbo King. Kimbo Queen and a. Them are some damn lazy thing. No one fi do nothing. No farmer money making. Panic and no peer posing. And pan Kimbo one thing. So them get a close and foreign. So them brother live a Brooklyn. For themselves them no one do nothing. We call them Kimbo King. Kimbo Queen and a King. Original Kimbo King. Kimbo Queen and a. Ooh, sometimes them Kimbo, sometimes them fool them man. Lego you wanna miss it, turn fashion. One time gone we call them lazy man. One time gone we call them lazy woman. But nowadays man a different fashion. We call them original Kimbo King. Kimbo Queen and a. Original Kimbo King. Kimbo Queen and a. Ooh, him get a work last week Saturday. Unless him use with me say this Thursday. Friday come the boss tell him no way. Because him gang go Kimbo down there. Original Kimbo King. Kimbo Queen and a. Original Kimbo King. Kimbo Jesus.
Hold on there. Just a little thing about Reggie Stepper. Tell my audience a little bit about Reggie Stepper. I'm far from and all of them thing there, you see me?
Yeah, we don't know. Reggie Stepper come from his mother and his father, along with the Almighty Judge put together.
Which is right.
Which is I, Reggie Stepper. And you don't know, born up at UA from them long time, they way back, a little before Selassie I come here. You see me I say? From them long time, they are 60 odd. Now when I run a joke with the age, you see me I say? No matter what you want, put it on back page or front page, you know. I say any stage. Yeah, well, I really say for this, I'm born and grew in a Barbican. Went to Mona Primary School. But first, I went to Antibarton. That was the first school, then Mona Primary. Then I Mona Primary, leave from Mona Primary, go to Jamaica College. And then left from Jamaica College. And from I left Jamaica College, I don't go back and no more school, Mona Music School fully, because that's how the thing will come. I used to listen to King Atani and them.
Yeah, but Jamaica College was where the music started from. Can I tell the people who are some of the people in your class?
Yeah, well, first, from primary school things start, cause we used to have Tiger and Alton Malvo
in my class at primary school. And then when I go at JC, that set a man again, you know, peer singers and DJs all over the world. I remember I said Johnny Clark used to go at JC, you know, so me look for nothing. I remember one thing, when I say when I go at JC, the first thing hit me was when them released the magazine for the year before. I mean, I turned the magazine and I stand up near a place where them call Holy Ground, and them say, we must go over this and go stand up. I stand up near Holy Ground, stand up. So I mean, when I turn the book of the magazine, I say, I Selassie, I stand up over the place where them say me have to stand up. And I say, what? I Selassie, they come and say, come stand up. Me have to stand up over this. So. You see me, I say, yeah man, right school, me go at JC because I don't like talking but the truth.
Yeah.
I don't like talking but the truth. I go at JC because I spar with my little sister. And everywhere I go primary school everywhere. And me and her, you know. So when I take my exam, I say, watch me and you, man. Because everything I do, she tell daddy, you know. So I say, watch me and you, man. I go to one boy school. Because I know she go pass next year. So I say, when you pass, you better go to one boy and girl or one girl school. But nah, come on with me and go. Because I just say, JC, all of my family go Arden. All of my family. Them.
And he's an Arden you too.
Yeah,
all right.
Yeah, he's an Arden man.
Yeah, that's why me and the JC, me keep quiet.
Yeah,
You're not too bad, man, you
know? No, he's an Arden man. All of my family go Arden. My bigger brother, my bigger sister, my smaller brother, smaller brother. I said go. Well away. It's me has to go high school. My father, every picnic him I go high school. But all of them go Arden. Me and Pele alone no go Arden. Yeah, Pele went swimming when exam did I go on. This one request one a little girl them 14 and 13 year old. I talk with them one man twice them age. It's better you cool and go on to school and study less now. When you leave school you get to work and earn your own wage. Ready to tell you that. So that's how I know. Little miss, little miss, go on like she big. Little miss, feel she get big. Little miss, go on like she big. Little miss, feel she get big. Chushy, weave her here, and now wear wig, and now wear short dress. Just feel look big, and I put on makeup, feel look attractive. And she walk on the street, her body she a jig. Talk to the biggest man up on the corner where she lives. Say she young and she fresh, and she active, and she living the life that she love to live. Used to go to high school, never reach a college. Never spend the time to extend her knowledge. Little miss.
Pull up now, pull up.
That's how we do it. Wanna say same thing? Alright. Yeah, man. Show them eager for the bagling on the front page, you know? Little miss, go on like she big. Little miss, feel she get big. Little miss, go on like she big. Little miss, feel she get big. Chushy, weave her here, and now wear wig, and now wear short dress. Just feel look big, and I put on makeup, feel look attractive. When she walk on the street, her body she a jig. Talk to the biggest man up on the corner where she lives. Say she young and she fresh, and she active, and she living the life that she love to live. Used to go to high school, never reach a college. Never spend the time to extend her knowledge. Little miss, go on like she big. Little miss, feel she red big. Never heard the Giza!
You know what I'm saying? Little known facts, Joseph Stepper is a smaller brother for Reggie Stepper. If you know Joseph Stepper, you know wife, but Reggie Stepper are the Kimbo King. The original Kim, yeah. Reggie Stepper. Reggie Stepper have the part two to this car. Before there was a dolly, there was a little miss. You remember the part two for that song? Yeah, all right, ready. Set with him.
All right. Cause me do that tune of little miss for the little girl them. I show them how to run things, but the big one them take set pan them. I never plan for that. You see me I say the big one them and I take set pan the little girls them. So you want now. Big woman have phone no time now. See? Leave little girls I'm alone, man. I just have to try to teach them something, but I'm not fight them. You up now? Woman a 41 go on like 14. Woman a 51 go on like 15. Woman a 61 go on like 16. Woman a 71 go on like 17. Mother young girl. Big woman go on like little girl. Mother young girl. Big woman go on like little girl. She wearing mini again. She carry curl again. Big woman go on like little children. So she want a young boyfriend. She muggle on the young matey them. Mother young girl. Big woman go on like little girl. She say she old but she no cool. Got to make the good time roll. Great is great and greater than great. And she always keep her body good. She always keep her shape. Easy!
People, a Reggie stepper. All right, Spooky. All right, this is that song. This is the rhythm I'm going to play now. How did you make that link here with Jack Radix and Steely?
All right.
Yeah.
Rona, the studio Rona Agley Park Road there, where the dreadlocks used to control. Them dead there now, still used to have the ass, them and all them something there. So Rona, so that's how Barrett used to do the bass man, and Lady saw them, and Mikey Spice. So around there, and Mr. Jack ride a CB 200, and Jack stop and me and him sit down there talk, and him say, Reggie, go around at Chisholm Avenue, go look at Jar weed. And I say, if me I come, I say, yeah man. So I jump on the back of the bike and him ride, go around at Chisholm and buy the weed. And I say, him say, Reggie, we now go cut this right now. Come on, go a mixing lab. And I say, yeah man, I could go a mixing lab. I reach up a mixing lab. I sit down and build up my spliff and him and build up him spliff. We hear the door open and hear the rhythm. Guaranteed with him I play. But the door the lock whenever they hear it. So we hear the door open, so we know that somebody will come out. And we look at Steely and the man say with the man say, right, the two of you know, sit down one place, I want a song. No!
Spooky, drop the rhythm. Yardstyle live wheel. Reggie step in the house. So you mean? This is a music filled reggae show. Yardstyle live. I see some live are going with it, but in the live. Them live they're dead. You see me? Them live they could have seen and they're dead. Ready again, Reggie stepper.
Jack Radix and Reggie stepper. But you see when we do that tune, I'm going to one to my wife. You see me? Come me H, TD, mean hard to the feet. Me H, TD, mean hard to the feet. Me H, TD, mean hard to the feet. So clap your ones and tap your feet. Me sweet, me neat and on for it. And the girl of my love. Sexy and sweet to the 4th and the 4th to the 5th. For the can I wait to the road that I'm running with the and the 4th to love. That I'm teaching and weeping and wailing on the national feet and I'm own and the and the national them. Government get for me daughters and get for my son. Not all looking at my son and some put lungs for the list of my tongue. Under the stars are under the sun. But guarantee, tell you this, I love, don't need no warranty. You all love for sure, I me say yes indeed. And you are next to what my wife say. You hear what she say? Hell is looking and seeing that we were meant to be. And she say, oh, it's for the one love that we share, Reggie, you and me. And she say, V, it's for very much how I am. Extraordinary, and E is for everything that we share.
and adore and love. It's not a toy and it was made for two, Miss Love. It's opposite sexes, yes, me and you. It is guaranteed. Tell you this, I love, no need no warranty. You are love for sure, and me say yes indeed. You are will a care, and me say I will feel. Yvette, Miss.
Reggie, it's the next tune, yeah? I wanted the two of them were put Reggie Step up on the map, and I wanted the two of them with a playing a record shop, and the brother did vex with me, because he say, we used to work on record shop in a Derek Hart, and back in the days, I'd be a Reggie Step and Mr. P. Derek used to cuss me and say, all you feel, I'll be here, you're playing a record shop. But I just youthful exuberance.
Derek and I'm Reggie.
Far from Barbican and a Barbican artist. No, man. Spooky, drop the next track.
Which one this? No.
Well, look at all the girls them in Jamaica and all over the world.
All over the world.
Man, Bubbler, man. Can I have some new dance, I see?
Stepping Night Super Beagle.
Come on, little girl, come on.
Real.
Come on, little girl, come on.
Not tell
Come
you.
on.
Come on, little girl, come on. Come on,
Dance with me.
Super Beagle Reggie Stepper.
I need someone,
Yeah, you know.
someone like you
Girls from all over the world.
to make me happy.
Make me what?
Never make me blue. Come on, dance with me.
Step up.
Them have the whining skill. Girl in Jamaica have the whining skill, whining skill. Girl all about them have the whining skill. Pan them right foot and them a wine. Sissy still pan them left foot and them a wine. Sissy still more time in the dance as if them stand. Sissy still but them belly and waistline it to move. Sissy still man a watch them a man a get chill whining skill. Girl in Jamaica have the whining skill, whining skill. Girl all about them have the whining skill. Girl in Jamaica have the whining skill. Girl all about them have the whining. She and me bubble, 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 and me long time lover. Bubble, yes, me long time lover. Whining skill. Girl in Jamaica have the whining skill, whining skill. Girl all, and you what again, Philip? Whining crazy, the girls them whining crazy. Whining crazy, the girls them whining crazy. When them come a dance, them no make no error, because them practice in front of mirror. And this is where they love them like a go-go. Them just a bubble east, west, north, south, anyway they wanna go. You know the whining skill. Girl in Jamaica want the whining skill, whining skill. Girl all about them have the whining skill. Pan them right foot and them a wine. Sissy still pan them left foot and them a wine. Sissy still more time in the dance as if them stand. Sissy still ease off.
No witchcraft. This is Music Phil, and this has been Yardstyle Live Presents.